The Mac MPS 1911 heavy-duty geared air saw is designed for tackling demanding cutting jobs in tough environments, like automotive and metalworking. With a pneumatic motor operating at 90 psi and air consumption of approximately 4.0 CFM, it delivers powerful performance for smooth, controlled cuts through thick metals and plastics. The saw's lightweight design, low vibration, and comfortable grip ensure ease of use during extended tasks. Capable of up to 10,000 strokes per minute and featuring a quick blade change system, it's the ideal tool for precision cutting in tight spaces. The DEWALT 18-volt brushless oscillating multi-tool brings versatility and power to a wide range of tasks, from cutting and sanding to scraping. With its brushless motor delivering up to 20,000 oscillations per minute, it ensures fast and precise results for various materials like wood, metal, and drywall. The tool-free accessory change system makes swapping attachments quick and easy, while its compact, ergonomic design and built-in LED light provide comfort and visibility in tight spaces. Weighing approximately 1.06 kilogram, it's an ideal solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for cordless flexibility on the job. The Hilti TE6CL rotary hammer is a cordless powerhouse built for heavy-duty tasks like drilling and chiseling in tough materials such as concrete and masonry. Powered by a 36-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers an impact energy of 2.8 joules and up to 5,340 blows per minute for fast and efficient performance. Its lightweight design and active vibration control ensure comfort during long hours of use, while features like the SDS Plus chuck and LED light enhance usability in any job. It is perfect for professionals needing a reliable tool for demanding applications. In the world of precise sealing and bonding, the Milwaukee M18 cordless caulk and adhesive gun shines as a powerful tool that effortlessly handles tough materials. Its cordless design, powered by the M18 red lithium battery, delivers up to 950 pounds of dispensing force, ensuring smooth application even with thicker adhesives. With a variable speed trigger and 6-position speed dial, you can easily control the flow, ranging from 0 to 21 inches per minute, making it versatile for various tasks. Whether you're working with 10-ounce, 20-ounce sausage or quart-sized cartridges, this tool guarantees consistent material flow every time. The Black & Decker Matrix Quick Connect system redefines versatility in DIY tools, offering a seamless way to switch between multiple attachments using one power base. Powered by a reliable 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, this tool can handle everything from drilling and driving to sanding and cutting. With its Quick Connect feature, you can effortlessly swap attachments without any tools, making it perfect for a wide range of projects. Lightweight and designed for comfort, it ensures that even long tasks are easy on the hands while delivering professional results every time. The Ridgid strap wrench is a trusted tool for gripping and turning smooth or delicate surfaces without leaving a mark. Whether you're working with pipes or fittings, its woven nylon strap provides a firm grip while preventing damage. With sizes to handle diameters up to 12 inches, it's perfect for various applications, from plumbing to industrial tasks. Its lightweight design and adjustable strap make it easy to use, offering strength and versatility to get the job done right without the hassle of damaging your materials. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Dual Bevel sliding miter saw brings precision and power to any job site, offering the performance of a corded saw with the convenience of being cordless. Equipped with a 12-inch blade and powered by an M18 Red Lithium HD 12.0 battery, it delivers up to 3,500 revolutions per minute for fast, accurate cuts through thick hardwoods. Its dual bevel design, with up to 48 degrees left and right angles and 60 degrees miter capacity, ensures versatile cutting capabilities. Weighing just 45 pounds, it's easy to transport, making it the go-to tool for professionals seeking efficiency and flexibility. The Wolfcraft work table clamp is a must-have tool for anyone working on DIY or professional projects, offering solid support for cutting, sanding, and drilling tasks. Its ergonomic design and easy one-handed operation make it simple to adjust and release, while the durable construction ensures longevity. With up to 90 kilograms of clamping force and a maximum clamping width of 120 millimeters, it holds materials firmly in place without damaging the surface. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or irregular shapes, this clamp provides the reliable grip you need for precise work. The Kimo 20-volt, 18-gauge cordless brad nailer stapler is a versatile tool that delivers precise cordless nailing and stapling for various projects, from woodworking to home renovation. Powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, it provides up to 700 shots per charge, making it perfect for both small and large jobs. With adjustable impact force and an LED work light for better visibility, it ensures accurate performance every time. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's built for comfort and reliability, allowing you to work efficiently without the hassle of cords. The Worx SD semi-automatic screwdriver is a compact, user-friendly tool that makes everyday tasks like assembling furniture or hanging pictures a breeze. Its standout feature is the unique bit cartridge system, which lets you switch between 6 preloaded bits in seconds, making it incredibly convenient for quick jobs. Powered by a 4-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers 230 revolutions per minute and 27 inch-pounds of torque, ensuring reliable performance for small to medium tasks. With its lightweight design and built-in LED light, it's a perfect tool for any home project, offering both ease and precision. The PT Gecko gauge siding mounting tool is a game-changer for those installing fiber cement and composite siding. Its unique design allows for precise spacing and hands-free operation, making one-person installations a breeze. With adjustable settings for siding thicknesses up to 1/2 inch and overlap exposure ranging from 4 inches to 8 inches, it ensures uniform alignment for a professional finish every time. Lightweight yet durable, this tool is built to save time and effort, transforming a once labor-intensive task into a smooth, efficient process for DIYers and professionals alike. The Weldplast 605 is a powerful extrusion welder capable of producing up to 6 kilograms of plastic per hour, making it ideal for heavy-duty projects like geomembrane and pipe welding. Designed with dual-zone heating and adjustable temperature control, it ensures precision in every weld, whether working with HDPE, PP, or PVC materials. Its ergonomic design, with an arc-shaped handle and lightweight build, provides comfort during long hours of use. The integrated LED light and automatic temperature control enhance usability, making this tool reliable and efficient for professionals working in challenging environments. The 3S Lift Ladder Hoist is a reliable tool designed to make lifting heavy materials up to roofs and elevated areas safer and more efficient. Whether it's shingles, solar panels, or tools, this hoist can lift up to 400 pounds, reaching heights of up to 44 feet. With options for electric, gas-powered, or manual operation, it's built to handle various job sites with ease. Its reinforced tracks ensure smooth lifting, while safety features like an automatic brake and emergency stop add an extra layer of protection, making it perfect for construction and roofing projects. The Innovatools multi-trowel is a versatile tool that brings both precision and convenience to construction and landscaping projects. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it resists corrosion and is built to last. Its ergonomic handle, designed for comfort during long tasks, includes a rubberized grip for better control. With multiple edges, it handles a range of tasks from spreading and smoothing materials like cement and plaster to detailed work in tight spaces, making it a go-to tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Bora Portamate PM8000 Portacube STR workstation is a versatile and portable solution for contractors and DIY enthusiasts who need a stable work surface and tool storage in one. With its rotating tabletop, it allows for quick transitions between your miter saw and workbench, making projects more efficient. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 400 pounds, and with fully extended dimensions of 60 inches long by 27 inches wide, the side wings provide extra workspace for longer materials. Designed for mobility, it's easy to transport and store, making it perfect for job sites or home workshops. The Ferret Plus wireless inspection camera is a professional tool designed to make inspecting hard-to-reach spaces easy and efficient. With 720-pixel HD resolution and a 90-degree wide-angle lens, it provides clear visuals in tight areas like walls or ceilings. Wireless connectivity through a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection allows you to stream live video to your iOS or Android device via the Ferret app. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for electricians, plumbers, and inspectors, offering features like autocorrect mode and wireless charging for added convenience. The Garden Weasel bulb planter is the perfect tool to make planting bulbs and small plants effortless. With its lightweight and durable design, this 34-inch tool allows you to dig precise holes with ease while standing, reducing strain on your back and knees. The T-bar handle provides excellent leverage, while the wide footplate helps you apply even pressure as you push it into the soil. Ideal for gardeners of all levels. It's built to last and makes planting an enjoyable, efficient task. The Kreg Inline clamp is a must-have tool for any woodworking project, designed to hold materials securely in place with precision. Its unique inline pressure system applies force directly along the workpiece, ensuring stable, damage-free clamping even with heavier materials. With a lightweight design, a clamp reach of 4.5 inches, and an easy-to-use quick-release mechanism, it's perfect for tasks like assembly, pocket hole joinery, and sanding. This versatile clamp offers up to 250 pounds of force, making it an essential addition to any workshop. The Makita XGT 80-volt Max Breaker Hammer is a cordless powerhouse designed for heavy-duty demolition, breaking through concrete, asphalt, and more with ease. Powered by dual 40-volt batteries, it delivers up to 20.9 joules of impact energy and 2,650 blows per minute, ensuring fast and efficient performance. Equipped with anti-vibration technology and an ergonomic D-handle, it's built for user comfort even during extended use. With its SDS Max shank system, soft start, and optional dust management, this tool is perfect for demanding construction and demolition tasks. The Trend Door Hinge Jig C is a precision tool designed to make fitting door hinges fast and easy, delivering professional results every time. With adjustable template blocks and settings, it works perfectly on doors between 6 to 7 feet in height and various thicknesses. Built from durable aluminum, this jig ensures long-lasting performance while remaining lightweight and portable. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this tool simplifies the process, ensuring consistent, flush-fitting hinges with minimal effort. That's all for today, friends. Which tools impressed you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing tools and gadgets. See you soon!